Hello, I'm Jim Olson. I'm the founder of iching.wiki, and today we're going to do a demonstration of using Yarrow sticks to consult the I Ching. So today we're going to take 50 Yarrow stalks, and we're going to take one out, which we will not use, and lay it on the table like that. And we will manipulate the other 49. We won't need coins, but we'll use these to illustrate what the sticks mean. And so we begin, what we're going to do is we're going to manipulate the Yarrow sticks 3 times for each line. So the first thing we do is we hold 49 stalks in our left hand and we grab half of them, more or less, with our right hand, and that is the random event. We'll take the right pile and we'll lay it down. We'll take one out of the right pile and we'll put it in our little finger, like so. And then we will count out by 4s from the left hand, put it in a left pile. And we keep doing that, 4, 4, 4, until we have 4 or fewer left. So there we have 4 left. We put those between our 2 middle fingers and pick up the right pile, put it in our left hand, and count out by 4 again. And we have 4 left. So now we have 9 total. So the first time we do it, we'll either have 5 or 9. If we don't have 5 or 9, we counted wrong, we have to do it again. We pick up what's left over and hold it in our left hand, and we do the same thing again. Split it in half, another random event. Put the right pile down, pick one out of the right pile, put it in our little finger, count out by 4 into a left pile. Put those in our middle fingers, like so. Pick up the right pile, hold it in our left hand, count out by 4. And we have 1 left. And so the second time we do it, we should have 4 or 8. We have 4. And split it in half. Pick one up off the right pile, like so, until we have 4 or fewer. So we have 1 left, like that. Pick up the right one, put it in our left hand, count out by 4 again, and we have 4. So we have our 3 bundles. So the first bundle can either be 9 or 5 stalks, and the other 2 can either be 4 or 8. So in terms of relating them to coins, more, either 9 or 8, is tails, and less, either 4 or 5, is heads. So that's how they are equivalent to the coins. And we'll put our fun sway coins down here. So with that, we can do our first line, tails, heads, heads, 2, 3, 3, add them up equals 8, a broken line. So we're going to do it again for the second line. The reason I prefer to use Yarrow stalks is because it slows me down. And when I'm not doing a video, I'm meditating while I do it on the question that I asked. So the first time you do this, it'll take about 20 minutes. But after a while, you'll get faster. It'll be automatic. So now we have 6 lines. And the top diagram. So the top trigram is earth. And we look it up in our table, going across the top, right there. And then on the bottom is thunder. And then we find the intersection, 15. Hexagram 15. And we look it up in the book, like a dictionary. You can see the numbers at the top right there. And we'll find number 15. And we got modesty. Thanks for watching. Check out www.iching.wiki, and good luck and good fortune.